Hey, stop scratching. Hello. Yeah, so fun. Hello. He's so perfectly still.
Counts very well.
So we're here in the old town of Antalya, Kaleiçi, and we just enjoyed some nice burgers from a place called Manju. Super tasty, super recommended. And here I'm being filmed right now. I don't know why. Today is a little bit cloudy, overcast, but it's super warm. And we're just having a walk and yeah, let's see what we'll see. What are you filming right now?
Filming yourself.
You're so naughty. This right here is a very lovely viewpoint of the marina, and you can see ahead of me is Kaleiçi, and you can see the mountains, and on my right is the marina and some cliffs. Take a look. That's the marina, Antalya Marina. We have these cliffs, and if you go along that road you'll go to Kaleiçi, and there in the distance are the mountains.
Oh, I haven't got purples yet.
We're heading right now back to U1 Coffee, where we were yesterday, the best coffee shop in Antalya, and we're gonna hit that kava.